everyone. Today we will discuss like how to find middle node of a singly linked list. So if this is a linked list which has 7 nodes, so we have to find the fourth node, which one is the middle node. So how to find this we will see. Suppose this is one linked list with 6 nodes. Okay, so total number of node n is equal to 6. So what is the middle point? So as it has even number of nodes, so we are considering like the middle node is n by 2. Means in this case it is 6 by 2, 3, the third node. So if it has like 7 number of nodes, means odd number of node, then the middle point will be n by 2 plus 1. That means 7 by 2, that is 3 is the integer value, plus 1, 4. Means fourth node will be the middle node. So in case of odd, actually it is very much clear like which one is the middle node. But for even, actually we are considering just the n by 2 number of node. Okay. So now what approach we can take to get this middle node? So first of all we have to get the total number of node, that is n. So how to get that? As it's a linked list, so we can't directly get that, because if it is in an array, then we can do a array dot length and simply we can get the n, means the total number of node. So to get total number of node, we have to first traverse through the whole linked list and we have to put a counter, then we have to increment, then at the end we can get the total number of node, that is 6. Then from this formula we can see what is the middle node, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. Then we can traverse from like first node to 3, means third node, then we can get this value. Okay, so the number of iteration we are doing here is, first we are traversing the full linked list, then I am getting the total number of node, then I am like calculating which one is the middle node, then I am traversing up to that, and this is my result which I am getting. Okay, so we will now see next if we can do it in a single iteration. Okay, so here actually we did 2 iteration, so we have to check now in a single iteration we can get this middle node value or not. Okay, so now before going to the solution, we will first see one clipping. Okay, so suppose there is a race happening between these two guys and they have to cover the distance from A to B and the distance is 20 kilometer. Okay, the speed of this guy is 10 kilometer per hour and this guy is 5 kilometer per hour, which is just half of his speed. Okay, so now they are both starting the race. Okay, and when actually this guy will reach, he will stop the race because he is already a winner. Okay, so now you can see here like he already reached here because he has more speed, and this guy is here now after he just finished. Okay, so after 2 hours you can see this guy is from A to B, he moved the complete distance which is 20 kilometer. So 10 into 2 equal to 20 kilometers. So he just took 2 hours to complete the race. And with this 2 hour, 5 into 2, this guy completed 10 kilometer of the road. Okay. And what is this 10 kilometer? This 10 kilometer is exactly the middle point from A to B. Okay. So what conclusion we draw from the previous clipping? That means if two racers are there, one has double the speed of another one. So when the first guy will reach the end, that time the another guy which has less speed will reach up to the middle. So we will apply the same thing here also. We will apply two pointer approach here. Okay. So that link also I have given here in the eye icon. You can see in one video I have discussed. So now we will take two pointer, both will point to the head node. One pointer, this pointer A, I will move 2 steps at a time, and pointer B, I will move 1 step at a time. Then when pointer A will reach to the end, that time whatever will be the position of pointer B, that will be my answer. So here in this case we have total 7 nodes. That means the middle node is 4. This one. Okay. So now I am starting both the pointers. So at a time both are moving. Pointer A is moving 2 steps and pointer B is moving 1 step at a time. So pointer A reached from 1 to 3 and pointer B 1 to 2. In next step it reaches from 3 to 5 and it reaches from 2 to 3. then 5 to 7 is 3 to 4. In next step, what I can see is this pointer already reaches to null or end of the linked list. That means it can't move further. That time we have to stop this pointer B, and where actually it is pointing, that will be my result. So 4 is my result, or the fourth node is the middle node. Okay. So now we can see like how it will behave for even number of nodes. So in the same exact example only, I have darkened this area just to sort it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 node is present. That means even number of nodes are present. Okay. So here also you can see the calculation will be almost same only. So from 1 to 3 it will move. That time it will move from 1 to 2. Then 3 to 5. That time it will move from 2 to 3. And 5 to 6, then null. So when actually it is reaching null, that time pointer B where actually it is pointing, that will be my result. So in this case, for even number of nodes, 3 will be my result. Okay. So this way you can find the middle of a singly linked list. So I will give you in the description box the programming part also. So you can do it by yourself also, or you can take hints from my programming also. Thanks for watching.